In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. How are you, my dear students? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty, the Great. Welcome to this video and welcome to you from the bottom of my heart. Today we will talk about the fundamental topic of geometry, that is angle. So, angle. What is angle? We have to know what is angle. So, you can see this is the definition of angle. A figure formed by two rays or lines. There is an important words, that is rays, and another one is lines. So a figure formed by two rays or lines. So what is rays and what is lines? You can see it's figure 1 and it's figure 2. So which one is rays and which one is line? Which one is ray and which one line in these pictures? So you have 1 second or 3 seconds to find out that, and let me know what is ray and what is line. Or you can say which one is ray in this picture and which one is line in this picture. Okay, you're right. Rays or ray, it has a end point. It has only one end point. But another part is opposite part is infinity. On the other hand, lines, it has no end point. It has no end point. So now this is line and this is ray. Ray has only one end point, and lines, it has no end point. It's infinity. Okay, I think you understood. Okay, next one. So the definition of angle is a figure formed by two rays or lines that share a common endpoint. So this is the symbol of angle. This is the symbol of angle, and this is exactly an angle. So what is angle? A figure from two lines or two rays. Two lines or two rays that share a common endpoint. A common endpoint. This is the common endpoint, and mathematically these endpoints are called vertex. This point are called vertex. So what is angle? A figure from the two rays or lines that share a common endpoint. Okay. Now we will learn about the classification of angles. So you can see there are total 10 angles. Total 10 angles. They are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, full angle, or you can call it full rotation. Adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and finally vertically opposite angles. Now we will learn what are they. That means what is acute angle, what is obtuse angle, like that. So first of all, what is acute angle? So what is acute angle? Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle, but acute angle is less than 90 degree. That means the acute angle is like that. It's a acute angle. Second one, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So obtuse angle is an angle which is greater than 90 degree. So greater than 90 degree means like that. It's obtuse angle. Right angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degree. So it's right angle. So we can say right angle is an angle which is exactly 90 degree, and obtuse angle is an angle which is greater than right angle, and acute angle is an angle which is smaller than or less than a right angle. Then straight angle. Straight angle is an angle which is exactly 180 degree. It's exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which is greater than or larger than a straight angle. So larger than a straight angle. This is called reflex angle. Or that means more than a straight angle. It's called reflex angle. Full angle or full rotation. Full angle or full rotation is an angle which is exactly 360 degree. And these four ones, this is a combination of angles, adjacent angles. So what is adjacent angles? Adjacent angles is an angle, it has there are two angles and it has a common side and common vertex. What is side and what is vertex? It's called side and it's called vertex. So what is adjacent angles? It has a common side and common vertex. So this is usually called adjacent angles. But because there are two angles and it has a common side, that is the common side and the common vertex. Okay, complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles when two angles add up to 90 degree. Two angles are to 90 degree. It's called complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. When two angles add up to 180 degree, it's called supplementary angles. When two angles add up to 180 degree or a straight angle, it's called supplementary angles. Vertically opposite angles. What is vertically opposite angles? When cross two lines. When cross two lines. When cross two lines, two angles are opposite each other. They are called vertically opposite angles. Condition is just cross each other and one angle is opposite. The angles are opposite each other and it's called vertically opposite angles. I repeat, there are 10 angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, full angle or full rotation, and the combination of angles are 7 to 10: adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and vertically opposite angles. Acute angle which is less than 90 degree, obtuse angle which is greater than 90 degree, right angle exactly 90 degree, straight angle exactly 180 degree, reflex angle which is greater than 180 degree, full angle exactly 360 degree, adjacent angle. It has it has a common vertex and common side, and don't overlap. Complementary angles. Complementary complementary angles. What is complementary angles? When two angles add up to 90 degrees, it's called complementary angles. Supplementary angles, when two angles up to 180 degrees, it's called supplementary angles. And vertically opposite angle, when two lines cross, two angles are opposite each other, then they are called vertically opposite angles. Thank you very much for watching this video.